Hey there campers, it's Barry here with Southern RV, and behind me we've got a brand new Volante 34BH. This travel trailer is a bunkhouse model. It can sleep a big family. We're going to check out the outside and the inside, so hang on tight. We'll get right into it. Alright, starting at the front of the vehicle, we're going to notice that we have an electric tongue jack and a nice decent sized space for battery connections here. They've given us this rock guard and we're pre-wired for solar. That's a pretty cool thing. At the very front of the unit, we do have a pass-through storage. You can see that right here. Goes all the way to the other side, and we'll notice that all of our landing gear consists of electric jacks. They run up and down with the touch of a button. They're pretty easy to use and stabilize the camper. We've got a decent sized electric awning. It's going to cover all the way down to that outside kitchen there. Some solid step entries. And if we look up, we notice that we have LED lights as well as exterior speakers. This thing does have hookups outside for a television. There's your power and cable out. And on this side of the camper, we even have a outside shower that you see here. And then we have our outside kitchen as well. This is going to feature a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a spot for the refrigerator. And notice that in the back here we have a mounting plate for a TV as well as the hookups for it and power. The back of the camper features our ladder, which heads up to the top of the roof. It is a fully walkable roof. We're pre-wired for a backup camera, and on the bumper we have our spare tire. Let's push on up onto the inside of this vehicle and check it out. Now, as I was saying a little bit earlier, this is a bunkhouse floor plan, so it is designed to sleep a decently large family. This unit in particular has 3 slides on it, so 3 slide rooms that open up. When you first come into the camper, we're in the living room and dining room area. We have our Jackknife Sofa. So this sofa is actually pretty slick. It lays flat, but it also has some cup holders and other little varieties built into it. That is across from our entertainment center. Notice that we have an electric fireplace down low, a nice big flat screen, and a sound bar beneath that. Plenty of storage for odds and ends. Our kitchen has this great gray tone to it. We've got a dual basin stainless steel sink, our oven, 3-burner stovetop with a glass cover just to extend our countertops, some extra storage, and a microwave. This features an Everchill 12-volt refrigerator, so no need for gas or an inverter. It's all set up to where it can run off the 12-volt system. It's a decent-sized refrigerator as well. Across from the kitchen, we have our U-shaped dinette. And the U-shaped dinette is on a single pedestal table, and that table can be let down in order to make that into one large bed. So between the sofa and the U-shaped dinette, we've got 2 beds in the main living room. There's some decent storage here on the right as we push towards the back of the camper. And this door on the left, I'll open it up, is going to take us into our bathroom. You can see the shower there. It's a nice rounded corner glass shower. We've got some storage to its right. And we've got our medicine cabinet, sink, and then down low, our foot flush toilet. I'm going to back that out. We're going to head towards the back of the camper. In the back of the camper, we find the bunk room. So the bunk room consists of another Jackknife sofa, so that lays flat and becomes a bed. We have a bunk up above, and that pretty easily will come down by pulling a pin and then lowering it out. Across from the sofa, we have yet another bunk with storage all around it, and we've got hookups for a TV so that there can be an entertainment system so the kids can have their own space to watch movies and play video games while the adults are in the main room. The other cool thing here is that they've given us this Trundle Bed. This simply pulls out and it gives us yet another bed to sleep on back here. So total back here you could quickly and easily sleep 4. As we push towards the front of the trailer, we're going to see the master bedroom. As I said earlier, this unit has 3 slides on board, and one of those is the master bed. It's a king bed, and being on a slide, it gives us plenty of room at the front of the bed to get up and get ready in the morning. Notice they've given us some storage up above it, and at the foot of the bed, they've given us a chest of drawer, that's this right here, and a spot to hook up yet another TV. We have windows on either side of the chest of drawers and a big closet back here in the back for storage. Let's open that up and take a look. You can see that we have our hanging rail, a shelf up above, and on either side we've got shelves in this closet as well. Pushing back, you'll see that's the other side. Pretty slick, lots of storage space. They didn't think about or miss out on any of that. And even under the bed, if I lift that up, you'll notice that this is basically a large trunk. So no shortage of storage in this unit. You guys, if you like what you see, please check it out online at southernrv.com or come see it in person here at the dealership in McDonough. Until next time, happy RVing.